Here's a bonus track for Brazil. Acai is a berry that grows in the Amazon rainforest. And in Rio, you can find cafes that sell acai bowls on pretty much every street corner. If you see acai like this in your grocery store and you don't know what to do with it, you can make a smoothie. Just defrost the acai because it's usually frozen. Dump the packs into a blender with 2 cups of Greek yogurt, about a half a cup of sugar because it's pretty bitter, and so is the Greek yogurt. And if you'd like, you can also add a couple tablespoons of cream of coconut. And just give it a blend. All right, let's give it a taste. It's delicious. It's bright and fresh, just the right amount of sweetness, and that touch of coconut is a nice addition. Enjoy!